Hello chef. My Electrolux EZC2430AOX multifunction oven has had a disaster. The light bulb is not working, probably burned out. So I'll show you how to easily change almost any brand oven dead and broken light bulb. As you can see, when you turn on the cooking modes, the bulb does not turn on, even though the oven itself was working. Before you go to replace a broken bulb, switch off the electricity that comes to the oven. When the oven is unplugged, we can remove the bulb protection glass, but be careful that it does not fall off and break. Then pull out the bulb. It is simply plugged into the bulb socket. These are the numbers on the bulb. As you can see, the bulb is dead, a burnt out filament. The best option is to go to the closest Home Depot with this dead bulb and ask there for a new replacement bulb for the oven. Here is the new bulb. It is not a normal halogen bulb, because in the oven the bulb has to survive a temperature over 200 degrees. It is important not to touch the bulb with dirty fingers. You have to do it with gloves, because if your greasy fingers get on the bulb, it might break in the heat. Then plug bulb into the oven socket using gloves. You can't plug the bulb in wrong direction. As you can see, the oven has light again, and I can see how my meals are cooking. I hope this was helpful. I'll be glad if you hit that subscribe and like buttons, so we can meet in other useful home videos. Goodbye.